Hello, I'm gonna introduce my app. Name is Itchy. It is a notch app for macOS. Okay, and at first, use. Hello, I'm gonna introduce my app. Get emails and calendars from Gmail and or Google Calendar. User should be connected the Google services in the app and the account name is Selçuk. Connect to Google. Access type offline, client ID. I guess you want to see client ID. Client ID this one, and okay. Client ID and code challenge. Code challenge method and redirect URL and scope. Calendar and Gmail read only. The app display Google Calendar events and mails and from Gmail and Google Calendar and okay, sign in node, a lot of parameters. That's all. Client ID is this one. Okay, English. It is demo mode. Okay, select what each can access. View your images and settings. Check it. See and download any calendar that you can access using Google Calendar. Check it. That's all. This app has been verified. Display on the top. And continue. Okay. Callback is worked. State. Yeah, ISS. And scope. Gmail read only. And calendar read only. Complete. It's done. Okay. And Etsy. Okay. And okay. Calendar and mail are connected to Google and save. That's all. This side is uh, display displays calendar events from Google Calendar. Just displays the data and that's all. And interview and I guess yeah. The last one. Okay, it's work. It works and mail site and displays email from Gmail. Just display the emails. When user click to compose button, that's all. And when user click the email, user can see only emails and Google Calendar events.